Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hire workers in Windrose. It's pretty easy. All I have to do, just head to the Tortuga market. Like if I open the map, the Tortuga market is located in this area in my case. If Tortuga market is not unlocked in your map, all you have to do, just go to adventure and complete this how my sea adventure begin tutorial, and just at the end of the tutorial you're gonna unlock Tortuga market. So we have to go there. After you enter the Tortuga market, you're gonna see people like this. Like these people have little logo above their name. So these are the people whom we can hire. So select continue, select tell me about yourself, and this is the price she gonna take to work for us. And these are the bonuses, like we can get doubles clay bottles production and also 30% chance to craft an extra elixir. So we have to select deal, and you can see 500 coins are deducted. So select continue, select see you at my camp. I wanna hire another one, so let's look for another guy. So you can see here we have another one, so we can just talk to him again. Select continue, tell me about yourself, and again this is gonna take us 500 coins. If you don't know how to get these coins, it's quite easy. All you need to do, just complete the quest, lose some chests, and you can also sell items to smugglers. In that way you can get the currency, and once you have enough currency you can just simply select deal, and that way you'll able to hire these workers. So select see you at my camp. Since we got the workers, we need to assign them to their workbench. For that, just go interact with the bonfire, select workers, and here you're gonna see all of your workers. Now each worker gonna have their little separate icon. So these are the icons where they're gonna work on, and these icons basically, let me show you. So alchemy table gonna have their own icon, you can see. So this is the one where that lady gonna work on. Then here we have our armor and clothing workshop, and you can see this is the icon that Taylor had. So if we go to the worker tab, here we have that guy, so we can now assign him on this table. For that, simply select assign. We can go to the alchemy table now, select worker, and simply select assign. Now if I go to create, because we have hired the worker for this alchemy table, we're gonna get benefits. Like you have to look for this little icon next to the item. So this is the item where we're gonna get benefit. Similarly, you can see these are the items where we're gonna get benefits. Now since we have hired those workers, we can see them at the camp now. You can see this is our tailor, and the alchemist is roaming around here. So they're just gonna be at your camp now, and you can just get benefits from them. So basically you have hired workers now in Windrose. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.